So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll right here and then make sure I click on settings right here. Click on settings. Allow it to load up and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google. So click on Google right here and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on all services right here. It's going to take you right here. Right here, what you need to do is to scroll down and then make sure you look for search, assistant, and voice. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and get to Google Assistant. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Assistant, Voice, and Sound. Click on it. It's going to take you right here. So if you're satisfied with this particular voice right here, you can click on OK. Or better still, you can go ahead and choose on another option. So it's that simple. So let's try on another voice. Let's try this one. Okay, I think I'm going to choose this particular voice right here. Hey Google, can you please tell me how to browse on YouTube? It's going to take you right here. So from here, you can simply search for a particular channel with your Google AI Assistant, voice chat. Then from YouTube page right here, we can also make use of this particular mic icon to search for anything we are looking for. And for us to do that, we just need to click on this particular icon right here. Click on this icon. Can you please show me a video that teach how to open Facebook account on YouTube? You can see it right here. This is a video that teach how to open a Facebook account. So we can go back to the mic again, click on the mic icon right here again. Hey Google, can you please show me a video that teach how to run Facebook ads in 2025? You can see it right here. How to use Facebook complete tutorial, how to Facebook ads. You can see so many videos recommended right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use Google AI Assistant or voice chat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.